I've seen Nima Erawan train and he is a different beast. He does not go back, he does not back down, and he's just too good, man. Let's see what happens.
Sirus trying to, maybe he's trying to penetrate. There we go, but elbows right there. And there we goes the elbow, and right behind that, going for those jabs and crosses. 1-2 combinations, straightly facing those punches into the face of Sirus. And here we go again.
Nima is an elbow hunter. He's trying to get inside Sirus's guard and trying to penetrate Sirus's guard by using his piercing elbows. Nima is just too good with it.
Nima को लागि जसरी उनले पेनिट्रेट गरिरहेका छन्, मेबी अब भने अर्को एउटा मौका रहन सक्छ. He's obviously बारम्बार रूपमा उनी एल्बोको लागि जान चाहिरहेका छन्, तर there we go with those jabs and crosses. यति बेला भने सायद Nima को लागि गाह्रो बनाउन सकिन्छ सिरुसद्वारा.
Yes, Nima is connecting with those elbows, but he's not doing a good enough job of keeping his chin down and hands up, man. Nima needs to keep his guard down and try to pierce Sirus's guard with elbows.
यार कुरा गर्नुपर्दाखेरि दुवै फाइटरको
another elbow by Nima. This is what I'm talking about. Nima should be keeping his chin down, guard high, and try to pierce Sirus's guard with those piercing elbows.
And बारम्बार Nima Erawan गइरहेका छन् एल्बोको लागि, spinning elbows, all kind of elbows.
That's just a Steve Sailesh. Relax.
Maybe यस कारणले गर्दा point त कठिनै छैन. That was another spinning back kick right there from the Sirus Buju. Sirus Buju आफ्नो लागि यहाँ.
And Sirus is doing a splendid job piercing Nima's guard through his jabs and cross. Sirus is doing a tremendous job right now.
And Sirus को लागि अर्को एउटा advantage पनि रहेको छ कि he is just using that elbows and those punches only. तर उनको जुन किक्सहरु छ हामीले देखिरहेका छैनौं, maybe जस कारणले गर्दाखेरि एउटा advantage यति बेला निकाल्न सक्छन् उनले.
Yes, 100%. Kicks carries more points in Muay Thai. And is that a groin shot? That is a groin shot. And the fight continues, but Sirus is doing a tremendous job right now, utilizing all weapons, not only his elbows, but Nima is trying. And is that a knockdown right now with this cross? And it is Nima with a 1-2, and Sirus goes down.
Nima को जुन connection रहेको थियो 1-2 को combination को साथमा wonderfully taken down. And यसको साथमा पहिलो countdown पनि पाएका थिए Sirusले. And Sirus, now he will be trying to counter himself.
Man, even though Sirus was winning this fight, this countdown matters. Now the scorecard might say 10-8 because of that knockdown by Nima.
र यहाँ पक्कै पनि त्यो कुरा पनि गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ भने यति बेला Sirus back again आफ्नो अरामा फर्किसकेका छन्. जुन level of making रहेको थियो उनको formation. Here it is.
And another count by Mean Gurung. Nima, if
grab the opportunity, 20% discount, man. You can get the burgers.
Nima Erawan on the red corner and Sirus Buju on the blue. Beautiful hook by Sirus. Nima trying to pierce Sirus with those beautiful elbows. Sirus trying to defend. Rightfully so. Sirus also looks confident in this round. Maybe the knockdown has fired him up, Sailesh.
Yeah, obviously, and Sirus, maybe जुन momentum थियो, the momentum अनि त्यो rhythmलाई पनि carry on गर्न अलिकति सक्षम बनिरहेका छन्. अनि maybe अब त्यो if he throws those combinations from the kicks and those jabs and crosses, maybe it could be the possible for him. But अहिलेको लागि maybe कट लागेको हो कि भन्ने विषयमा doubt गर्दैछु म. And there we go, that was nothing less than a maybe.
Man, those elbows, the piercing elbows cut. Good low kick by Shirush. Shirush now has to fight as he's back on the scorecards. Shirush has to push through and get a possible knockdown. But Nima pressuring Shirush. Nima already countering the pressure that Shirush is putting on him.
And Nima, he is getting inside, and there we go. That was the mouth guard falling down.
Yes, Nima's punches are too good, man. Nima's punches are too good. Shirush has...
And here we go. आफ्नो रडारमा आउन दिइरहेका छैनन् यति बेला सिरुसले आफै पनि भित्र गइरहेका छन् and he's taking every possible punches and those elbows especially.
Yes, exactly, Shailesh. You are absolutely right. But Shirush should push forward rather than just standing like that. He is behind on the scorecards after that knockdown. Shirush should be moving forward, should be pressuring Nima as he could get a possible TKO or a knockdown. And Nima with another 1-2.
1-2 combinations को लागि both of the fighters यति बेला निकै नै तन्दुरुस्त देखिरहेका छन्. And there we go again.
Clean cross connected by Nima. Shirush trying to defend properly. Nima again with those elbows. Shirush, good knee. Another elbow by Shirush.
And मैले देखिरहेको डिफरेन्स जुन छ एमेच्योर बाउटमा जब पनि हामी कुरा गर्दै गर्छौं क्लिन्चेसको बारेमा त्यति बेला मोस्ट अफ द फाइटर्स they are trying for the knees, but जब pro amateur अनि pro मा जान्छौं there are most often elbows.
Yes, exactly, Shailesh, because we cannot land elbows on amateur bouts. In pro amateur bouts you can, but in amateur bouts no elbows, as there is no elbow is used for cutting the fighter's head, so like a knife, natural knife, so that the fighters can get a TKO. I have no idea what you're talking about, Shailesh, man. I think this is a clear win for Nima, but let's see.
Yeah, obviously, and Shirush अहिलेको लागि पनि momentum जुन फ्लोमा गइरहेको छ त्यसलाई कन्टिन्युटी दिनको लागि यति बेला Nima maybe another one, and there we go, trying for those jab and cross.
Nima is already always connecting with those jabs and crosses, man. Those punches he's landing are very, very good. Those elbows, oh, beautiful cross by Shirush. Shirush should now do exactly what he is doing now. He should keep pressuring Nima so that he should slip those jabs, slip those cross, and go to his body, as he is a longer fighter. Shirush should go to his body and then maybe go to his head.
Yeah, and Nima को लागि जुन प्रकारले उनले अहिले पनि रियलाइज गरेका छन् कि kicks, and he is going for the kicks in this round, अनि maybe he is focusing more upon elbow भन्दा पनि अहिलेको लागि kicks मै चाहिँ उनी धेरै आफ्नो रडारमा लिइरहेका छन्.
Absolutely, because he has already won 2 rounds and he looks very, very confident now. He can mix it up if he wants. Maybe Shirush should try to pierce Nima's guard. Nima is a longer fighter, so obviously he will maintain distance, but Shirush should push through the guard and keep pressuring Nima. Shirush should not, like that, just like that, landing those jabs and crosses after that tip. Shirush should keep pressuring Nima. Keep pressuring, just like that. Keep going.
And there we go again. बारम्बार रूपमा Shirushलाई भने यति बेला एडभान्टेज बनिरहेको छ, and maybe यो फ्रस्ट्रेटेड गराउने अनि ट्रिगर गर्ने मोमेन्ट रहेको छ Nimaको लागि.
Nima is still maintaining good distance. Another head kick landed by Shirush, but Nima.
It's obvious, and he is going all the way for the TKO, maybe, if possible.
A knockout, winning a 20,000 rupees bonus from Mr. Raju Rai. Maybe, Shailesh, just maybe.
That could be the possibility, but यति बेला जुन मोमेन्टम बनिरहेको छ निमाको लागि उनी डिस्टेन्स मेन्टेन गरेर भने त्यसलाई मिनिमाइज गर्न खोजिरहेका छन्. जुन पोसिबल रिस्कहरू रहेको छ, he doesn't want to take the risk. किन भन्दाखेरि पहिलो राउन्डमा नै काउन्टडाउन पाइसकेका थिए, and he thinks that this may be the clear win for him.
Yes, absolutely. But still, he's doing a tremendous job. Just staying in Shirus's face, not letting him pressure him, cutting off the ring. Nima is doing a tremendous job right now. He's fighting beautifully. Shirus should break his rhythm and pierce his guard and try to land those big shots. Just like that. Good cross landed by Shirus.
And now it is the end of the third round, and who will be the victorious?
The fighter in the red corner, Nima Erawan. Ro, hamra e fighter